Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Commerce Tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about 10 important MCQs on marketing management, as marketing management is one of the most important unit of your paper 2 commerce for commerce students, and not only for commerce in management also. So this is it will be helpful for both commerce and management students of NetJRF. So let's start it. First question: Dash is the essence of marketing. Option A, research. Option B, customer focus. Option C, demand. Option D, none of this. So what will be the right answer? You know, the essence or the main thing of marketing is customer satisfaction, or to focus on customers' demand. So here the right answer will be option B, customer focus. It will be the right answer, customer focus. Which concept of marketing is or is our customers oriented? Option A, old concept of marketing. Option B, modern concept of marketing. Option C, entity concept of marketing. Option D, all of the above. So the correct answer, so what is the correct answer? Correct answer is option B, because in modern concept of marketing, you know, it's all about customer satisfaction, customer orientation, because in this case the focus is on customer demand, what they actually want. So what their actual desire, what their actual need. So here modern concept of marketing is customer oriented, so option B will be the right answer over here. Come to the next question. Modern concept of marketing consists of option A, responsibility. Option B, decision. Option C, coordination. Option D, all of this. So we know all three things are included in modern concept of marketing. So here option D will be the correct answer, that is all of the above. That means responsibility, decision, that means modern concept of marketing consists of responsibility, decision and coordination. Come to the fourth question. Marketing is often considered synonymous with option A, selling. Option B, advertising. Option C, sales promotion. Option D, all of this. So you know, selling, advertising, sales promotion, all these things are part of marketing. So obviously marketing costs, so the marketing is often considered synonymous with all of this, because sales promotion, advertising, selling, all these things you have to do in marketing. That means marketing is an umbrella domain and these things are part of that. So that's why all option D will be the correct answer over here, that means all of this. Marketing is next. Come to the next question. Marketing is option A, qualitative process. Option B, logical process. Option C, mathematical process. Option D, managerial process. So of course marketing is a managerial process. You have to manage. You have to manage your business, apart from taking into consideration the customer's needs, customer's wants, the customer demand. So that is it is a managerial process. You are, and in other words, you are managing different kinds of activities together, like selling, advertising, sales promotion, like this. So it's a managerial process. Next question is a matching type question. You have to match list 2 with match of list 1. So list 1, A, product concept. B, production concept. C, marketing concept. D, societal marketing concept. List 2. Option 1, marketing myopia. Option 2, mass production and distribution. Option C, customer satisfaction. Option 4, ethical marketing practices. So you know, marketing concept, the option C is more related to customer satisfaction, because in modern concept of marketing, but basically marketing means satisfaction, the customer satisfaction. So C should be matched with 3 should be matched with C. Production concept, mass production and distribution. We have to produce in a large quantity and distribute them to satisfy the demands of various kind of customers, a large number of customers. Societal marketing concept, that means ethical marketing practices. We can't do any kind of unethical practices in societal marketing and in marketing in general, but societal marketing puts emphasis on ethical works very much. So D should be matched with 4, or 4 should be matched with D, and the left one, product concept, obviously the marketing myopia. So the correct option Yeah, option A will be the correct option. 1, 2, 3, 4. Product myopia, the product concept, product marketing myopia, product concept, production concept, mass production and distribution, marketing concept, customer satisfaction, societal marketing concept, ethical marketing practices. Come to this next question. Which of the following is not one of the stages of market of product life cycle? You know the 4 stages of product life cycle: introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. So here option A is introduction, option B growth, option C revive, option D decline. So of course revive is not any stages, is not any stage of product life cycle. So according to the question, it is the right answer. And read carefully. Not, which of the following is not, is not. This kind of question is very solve very carefully. This kind of question. Next, insurance is dash type of consumer goods. Basically it's a question based on types of consumer goods. So if time permits, I will make a separate video on them, but today I will give you a precise idea about specialty goods, convenience goods, unsought goods, shopping goods. Although shopping goods is not in the option, so let's discuss one by one. Convenience good: such goods that are purchased from convenient places frequently in small quantities without making much comparisons regarding the price and quality. That means you are not comparing the price and the quality, you have to purchase. That means goods are frequently purchased. That means your daily base, that means toothpaste, soap, magazines, like this. So while you are buying this kind of goods, you are not comparing, you are not compare its price and its quality. So these are the convenience goods. You can, the customers are convinced very easily, and these kinds of goods are purchased frequently. Come to the next one, shopping goods. Such goods are purchased after making careful comparisons regarding quality, prices, styles, like clothings, kitchen appliances, jewelries. When we go to a market to buy any jewelry or any cloth, we are very much conscious, and we are very much careful regarding our quality, price, and its fashion, and our, and we, the young generation, we are very much conscious about fashion. So we are very much fashion conscious rather. So this clothing, shoes, it comes under shopping goods. Come to the specialty goods. Such goods have certain unique feature because of its consumer are ready to put in special purchasing offer, like Titan watches, Videocon washing machines, Santro car. That means extra feature which make it unique, which make it different from other, and its customers are ready to put in some special purchasing efforts. So these are specialty goods. Its name shows that something special in these goods. And unsought goods. Unsought goods are those goods customers actually don't know about it, or does not have any desire of buying. They basically buy this kind of goods out of fear, out of their lack of desire, out of danger, to think of the future danger, like insurance. Okay, because life insurance to secure our life, medical insurance to secure our medical treatment. So of course here insurance is a type of unsought goods which is mentioned in option C. So of course the option C is the right answer over here. So of course insurance is the unsought goods. Next, service market is related with tangible, intangible, both A and B. D, neither A nor B. You know, service cannot be touched, cannot be, it can also be felt, it cannot be seen, it is not visible. So of course service is intangible. Option B is the correct answer over here. Last question, a matching question, matching type question. We have to match list 2 with list 1. List 1, A width, B length, C depth, consistency. List 2, A varieties offered for each product in the product line. 2, total number of product line of a company. Total number, option C. List 2, third point is total number of items in product mix. 4, closeness exhibited by product lines. So width, what is width? Width means total number of product lines of a company. A company which offers total number of products, the total number of product lines. It's called width. What is length? Length means total number of items in product mix. All the total number of items in product mix. Okay. That means in each product mix, or in each product, in each product mix, what are the total number of items in each product mix? And depth, varieties offered for each product in the product line. In each product line, the varieties of products which are offered by a company, it's called depth. Okay. Product line, what are the total number of products which are offered? What is product length? Like, for example, defined kinds of products are total 20 products are offered by a company. It is the width of the company. Out of this 20 product, one is soap, one is shampoo, one is hair oil, like this. These are the length. These are the length. Now, what is depth? Under soap, a company is offering Dove, Lux, Vivel. Varieties are there. Under shampoo, a company is offering Dove shampoo, Hair and Shoulder, Clinic Plus, varieties. So this is depth. And what is consistency? Consistency means closeness exhibited by product lines. That means to what extent the product lines are closely related to each other. But what is the closeness? It's called consistency. So according to this, my explanation, the correct option will be option A. That means width for 2 leads to 2 point A, B for 3, C for 1. When C of list 1 should be matched with point number 1 of list 2, and the D should be matched with the point number 4 of the list 2. So A of list 1 should be matched with point number 2 of list 2. B point should be matched with point number 3 of list 2. C point should be matched with point number 1 of the list 2, and D point should be matched with the point number 4 of the list 2. So here, what is the correct option? So the correct option over here is option A. So option A is the correct answer. So this is all for today. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, press the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming videos, and thank you so much guys to watch the video till the end. Thank you so much.